Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Live Trading the Stock Market here on Bob Squared Finance. It is Wednesday, July 25th, 2018. My name is Bobby. I'm your personal trader. I'm also the Broke Trader. You can find my vlog right here on this same channel, the Broke Trader vlog. Look, I got your daily content coming out. I live trade the Robinhood app every single trading day. And then you can find me on social media at Bobby G. Saunders. I got Twitch, twitch.tv/BobSquaredGaming. Go ahead and hit subscribe. So I know we've got some new enrollees, so I wanted to welcome you to the class here. This is my office. So happy to have you on board. This is the new format for the daily trading series. It will come at you in one long breath rather than in two parts. I hope you enjoy this a little bit better. It is a little bit more, I think it makes more sense. It's a more cohesive entertainment product for you. If that makes sense, you can watch the opening bell to the closing bell and kind of see what we had in mind for the entire day rather than it being broken up in two different segments. So I hope you enjoy that. Keep your eyes on this channel for daily content. I do have stuff coming out for you. I've got new things in the pipeline for Professor Bobby. I'll be teaching you about Robinhood, about business, about finance, about the stock market, about investing. All your needs right here in one place. I do take suggestions if you have direction that you'd like the channel to go. Then if you like some certain things I do, if you hate some things that I do, you can let me know in the comment section right down below. And I do appreciate your feedback. This is all about you. You're why I'm out here. You're why I do this. I appreciate you so much. Can't thank you enough for watching and supporting this content. So what's going on in the stock markets today? Look, Blue Apron is going to be trending upwards, and we're finally going to be in the green today, guys. It's been a little while. I've been in the red for just about all week and most of the end of last week, but all the way down we've been accumulating these positions here. We've been loading up on Blue Apron. We've been loading up on Elf Cosmetics. So we're going to see what happens. We did just unload ABB Group yesterday to clear away some liquidity, kind of move into some of those positions a little further. So we do have Blue Apron. We're going to see what happens there. Of course, we've got old GoPro at the top there. GoPro's well above our basis. We're real happy to have that, as many shares of those as we do. You know, our position in GoPro started off so small, and it was kind of just a little prospect that we had. We had the feeling about it, and it dropped and dropped and dropped. And you know, all along the way, I was kind of suggesting it to some of my friends. I said, "Look, you know, I think there's a catalyst for growth here. I think GoPro is going to be a pretty good play." And so all along the way, I just kept on buying down. I had to take my own advice. I couldn't leave my people out there stranded on their own. So I accumulated 28 shares of that bad boy, and we are going to see it trade up once again. I do think that we have a really, really nice position on GoPro. I'm super happy to have that right at the top of my portfolio as the largest position that I now have, as CRISPR continues to free fall there with the rest of the gene editing cohort. As we see CRISPR come back, though, I think that a lot of this consolidation is going to start to pay off for us at the same time, and we are really, really going to see some major windfalls coming our way as both our kind of swing trades that we're pulling off and the CRISPR train comes back into the station. So we shall see. I think you guys will really, really enjoy the ride going forward. I know I'm going to. I know I enjoy bringing you guys this content so much. I appreciate your support once again. If it's your first time joining us, go ahead and hit subscribe. I do have all your daily trades in a playlist for you, so you can go back and watch. Hey, stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, hit like, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's turn it over to myself. Let's go ahead and start trading. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, July 25th, 2018. This is the second show coming at you in the new format. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Either love it or hate it. My name is Bobby. I'm your personal trader. I'm coming at you every single trading day with our live trading series. I'm coming at you every day with our daily vlog as well. I'm streaming PUBG every night at twitch.tv/BobSquaredGaming. So keep your eyes on me for daily content, for content coming out all the time, coming at you. We're trying to keep you entertained, keep you educated and informed about the stock market, about investing, about finance, and about having a whole lot of fun. So thank you very much for joining us and being along for the ride. We got our eyes on our personal portfolio here for Wednesday's trading, July 25th, 2018. We are working on diving into some of these positions here. We're working on accumulating some nice averages. We do have some good positions in Blue Apron, in Elf Cosmetics, in PBI. We have some profitable positions in GoPro, in Snapchat. We continue to accumulate positions, or shares rather, in Snapchat. That is one of our favorites here. We do have a couple of prospecting videos on that if you'd like to go check it out in my previous uploads. Kind of let you know what my rationale is for holding Snapchat. The main core of this portfolio is gene editing technology. We've made the most money off of CRISPR. CRISPR is the kind of the lead dog in gene editing. It leads that cohort there with Editas and Intellia bringing up the rear. We have a new IPO that was suggested to us by a viewer called Rubius Therapeutics. Thanks to Grape from the comment section there for putting that on our watch list and bringing that to our attention. We are they do modified red blood cell technology. We're keeping an eye out there. We set a buy target for anything less than the IPO price. I would theoretically like to get it around 20, but if I could beat the IPO price of 23, I think 88 or somewhere in that general vicinity, I will start to get interested, and I will really be tempted right around the $20 range. So we'll see if it drops in that range for us this week. We will try to maintain enough liquidity and flexibility in order to make that happen and bring that on board should it happen to do that. That is one of the kind of the key beauties to my strategy here of, I know there's a lot of people on YouTube out here day trading. Day trading, I'm sure, you can't quite see the types of gains and profits that you can see day trading when you're doing my strategy here. You're going to miss out on a lot of opportunities like I was talking about yesterday, but man, you're going to miss out on a lot of headaches as well, I think. You're going to have flexibility. The cool thing about collecting stocks, and I do kind of look at it like collecting anything else, is being able to get what you want when you want it. I mean, a day trade situation, especially on Robinhood, is just going to lock you out, and you're not going to be able to have the type of flexibility to get the stocks that you want, I don't think anyway. So I know that there is a system behind that, and that can be systematized as well. No knock on all of our day traders out there. If that's the type of content that you want, there's some great guys out there doing it. So no knock on them. It's just definitely not for me, not for my risk tolerance, or for my trading style. I definitely like to accumulate really good companies. I like to have a little bit of a long-term strategy, at least a mid to long-term strategy. I like to scrape profits along the way. Don't get me wrong, I don't like to get greedy, but I'm not doing it every day. I'm willing to take some losses over the week term in order to get a month-long income, or a 90-day income. As long as I'm making money in the long run and my money's working for me, then I'm going to be fine. So I know that this is a strategy that's worth putting out there. I know that it can work because it works for me. This is a little look at my my weekly and my monthly here. We're looking abysmal. You guys have seen the portfolio drop here. It's hemorrhaging a little bit. My 90-day profits are not too bad, and then that 52-week profit is still 38%. So we should see that trend upward again. You guys should be right here watching that unfold as we work our way back up into the 800 range. I do think that I should have this portfolio into the 1,000 range by December, if I'm not mistaken. So, you guys will be able to hold me accountable on that. I'll be doing it right here on the channel every single day, so you can follow along, and I'll entertain you along the way. I'll fill you in on my in-depth analysis on each stock. I'll tell you why I'm making each move, and as far as I'm concerned, you guys are my close personal friends. I appreciate you being along for the ride. I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you subscribing if you have. I appreciate you hitting that thumbs up button, and I even appreciate it if you hit the thumbs down button. If you aren't satisfied, tell me what I can do to impress you. Tell me what I can do to get you to stick around. That's what that comment section's for, guys. Let's do it. Let's keep trading. Let's stay profitable. Let's keep your eyes on this channel. Let's get this daily content coming to you. Look out for the Broke Trader vlog coming at you a little bit later. Look out for all of my new stuff in the pipeline. There goes that closing bell for you guys. Let me know what you think. Let's talk about it. Give me your stock picks, your thoughts and comments down below. Thanks very much, guys. Let's turn it. Alright guys, so we put a profitable day together. That was Wednesday, July 25th, 2018 in the bag. Thank you so much for being along for the ride. I appreciate you being on this journey with me. We're going to go from broke trader to used to be broke trader. You guys will be right here. It'll be because of you. Your support means everything to me. It means the world to me. I appreciate you. Continue to watch this thing unfold. Like I said, profitable day today means hopefully profitable day tomorrow. I'll hopefully see that tick upwards again. And then, like I said, I'm projecting December, we're going to be in the 1,000 range. So you guys keep me accountable on that. Let me know. We'll be looking back, and we'll be doing this every day. So you guys will be along for the ride. You'll see that play out. And I'll offer some tips and suggestions along the way. Let me know what you think. Let's talk about it tomorrow, okay? Live trading the stock market with Bobby tomorrow, and then the Broke Trader vlog dropping a little bit later today. Thanks so much. See you on Twitch tonight. PUBG.